A unique feature for the Datalogic GM4100 is that we have an optional cradle that is available with the UV counterfeit money detector. It can be in a desk, and we have a green aiming dot telling you where to place the barcode. We can mount this vertically. I can change the angle of the base, and now when I stick my scanner in the cradle, it automatically goes into presentation mode where I can present a barcode to it and it reads without pulling the trigger. I take the scanner out, it goes automatically back into trigger mode, and I'm reading barcodes. It emits UV lights, which could be helpful for detecting counterfeit credit cards, passports, dollar bills. You can see here the watermark, and then also on bills, we're able to detect the mark inside the bill to confirm it's a valid bill compared to something that might be counterfeit, whereas you can see nothing shows up in the bill. The scanner is doing more than just reading barcodes. It takes up less counter space. It's one less device you need at the point of sale area wherever you're trying to detect counterfeit documents. The light can be on just once in a while, or it could be on continuously. If you have any further questions, please contact your Renco Industries representative.